Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening our Wantable Spring Preview Edit. I believe this is a style edit, so I'm super excited to dive in. If you aren't familiar with Wantable, they are a styling subscription. You can do it on a different cadence. You can get it every month, every season, every 2 weeks, every 2 months, kind of whatever you want. And you pay a $20 styling fee, which then gets credited if you purchase any of the, I believe, 6 to 7 items that they send you. They have a style edit, an active edit, and a sleep and body edit. And then they will pop in some seasonal ones and some more temporary ones. This one is, like I said, the spring preview, but I've gotten a few of their other ones in the past and they've been really, really fun. So I don't remember what I asked for, but I do remember asking for something. So let's see if we got it this time. Let's open her up. I do have a link down below that will waive your styling fee, but then you'll also get $25 to spend in free clothing. So definitely a great way to try it out. And then this is what my little bundle looks like. So right on top, we have our little card that has a message from our stylist as well as all of the items and pricing. I said I would love some fun tops and dresses in unique colors and prints. So pretty exciting. I'm not gonna look at the prices because I want to keep that for the end. And then you do get a return mailer so you can send back anything you don't like and don't want. Ooh, okay. First thing I'm seeing on here is in a fun little bag, which means it is jewelry. You can opt out of getting jewelry and accessories if you don't want them and you just want clothes. I am working to kind of build my jewelry collection right now, so I'm actually pretty excited to have some. Ooh, these are cute. So this is what that set looks like. Looks like we have a moon, stars, and some sunshines. These are pretty cute. I do have to say they're looking a little bit cheap. They kind of look weathered, and I'm not sure if they're meant to be weathered. I don't mind it a ton, but it's definitely, I'm not even sure if you're gonna be able to tell on camera, but there's definitely some weathering going on. So those are interesting. I like the shapes for sure. Ooh, this is pretty. Then I'm seeing this fun, oh, it's a tank top. Okay, I don't love tank tops, but I'll try it anyways. It is kind of a fun print. It's like a, oh, kind of reminds me of like an olive branch maybe. Then some crochet detail. I have to say, this is not typically my style, but I do really like this print. So interested to see what this looks like. And then it does actually have that same kind of crochet detail on the bottom and it is pretty see-through. So we'll see what that looks like on, but could go either way for me. Then we have another shirt or maybe a dress. Oh yeah, this is a shirt. Yeah, this is not really my style at all. Looks like a little blouse. It does have the little buttons so you can keep the sleeve up, which I don't particularly like. And then I think it's kind of a V-neck. Not really my vibe. We'll try it on because maybe it'll look fantastic and I'll be wrong. Ooh, this is soft. Okay. Ooh, see, this is very my style. This is a cozy sweatshirt, kind of a like tie-dye acid bleached deal here. It's so soft. I really, really like how this feels. So this is fun. Definitely my vibe. Okay, this could go either way. This is kind of a like peasant style blouse. It has some kind of balloon sleeves here and then these really, really pretty buttons. You can see the price, so hopefully that's not the price. These are cute. This is from Black Tape. That's a brand I haven't heard of before, so interested to see what this looks like on because I feel like this could be really, really pretty. Kind of a dolman style shirt, I think. I'm iffy about this one. We're gonna see what this looks like. I feel like this could either go kind of frumpy grandma-esque or it could just be like effortlessly cool and there's really no in between. So I'm excited to see what that actually looks like. And then the last thing in here are a pair of pants. So that's pretty cool. I definitely don't need more pants. So I'm happy that they sent me one. These are from Democracy. These are in a size 6 petite, which is interesting because I would definitely not label myself as petite. So maybe they just have weird sizing. and I think they're boot cut maybe? I have no idea, but they do have a really stretchy band at the top. So those will be really interesting to try. Okay, let me flip this camera around, try everything on, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I put on the first outfit, which is this dolman style top. This is actually the length of it, but it does kind of tighten, so that makes it nice and easy to kind of tuck into jeans. So this is how I would probably wear it. I don't hate it, but I also can't say that I love it. And I think the reason why is the pattern. It's kind of this like very thin abstract stripe. I don't know about it. I feel like if it were a solid color, I'd like it more, but it's very comfortable. So the jury's out on that one. And then I have these jeans. These look so good on me. I do really, really like them, but I think they're just a little bit too short for me. This is kind of what I mean, as you can see in the mirror. They're just like a little bit short for me. And I feel like if I were wearing flats, like completely flat shoes, like flip-flops, they'd be fine. But otherwise, they are too short for my liking. So I think that's because they're petite. But otherwise, I really like these. I almost feel like I could go a size down because they're just a little bit big up here, but like, damn, these make me look and feel really good other than the length. So these are interesting. Okay, then I went ahead and put on this shirt. It's super see-through. As you can see, you can kind of see like all the way through. And I don't know if I love how high the buttons are. So if we were to unbutton it, I feel like I might like it a little bit more. No, I kind of feel like it needs to be buttoned. Okay, well, that's so sad. I really love the sleeves and I love this side of the fit. But up here, I don't think it's very flattering. It just kind of cuts me off at a weird place. The sleeves are so pretty and I really love how like flowy this is. Plus you could kind of like tuck it up and I feel like this is just so cute. I really like the color of this as well. I'm kind of surprised that it's not washing me out more, but I do really like it. So might see if they have a similar style from this brand, because this isn't a brand that I've heard of before. So, I don't know. Iffy about it. Let me know what you think. All right, then I threw on this sweatshirt, and it does actually have thumb holes, which if you've watched pretty much any of my other videos, you know I love thumb holes. It's longer than I thought, and it's definitely more of like a fitted fit, which for a sweatshirt is not my favorite, but I actually kind of like it this way. I don't know if I would like tuck it in and wear it with jeans necessarily. So I'm not really sure what I would wear this with, but it is really cozy and I know that I just wear it around the house. So I don't know, I'm iffy about it because it's so cozy. I don't know if I love the color combo on my skin. I feel like I definitely lean towards more like reddish tones on my skin, and this just doesn't look quite right. But maybe that's just a me thing and maybe that's how it is on camera. So I'm not sure, but it's certainly soft. So, I mean, that's a win. Then we have this shirt, which is definitely just a no for me. It kind of falls weirdly unless you tuck it in. And I don't really like it. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the sleeves when they button up like this. And even if they were not buttoned, it would still be kind of a 3/4 length sleeve, which is not really my vibe for a shirt like this. I think this is good if you work in an office and need kind of a blouse, but I don't. I work from home, so this is not something that I would really get any use out of. So this one's just gonna be a no for me. Okay, lastly, we have this tank top. I'm just not really a tank top gal. I'm not really a huge fan. I also just have decided I don't really like these pom-poms. They kind of lay differently, and that just is really bothering me. I spent an embarrassingly long amount of time trying to fix that, and it just can't be fixed. But I like the actual print, and I like the fabric. I just don't like the style of the shirt. It does have some pleats over here, which is kind of nice and flattering, but the rest of it just does not flatter me at all. Even if I were to kind of tuck it, I'd have to wear a jacket with it, and I don't like this part, so showing that off doesn't really make any sense to me. So this one is going to be a no. let's recap. Okay, so that was definitely not my best, but not my worst box either. I'm really interested to see the prices of these items and see how that kind of changes my opinion. So first I want to start with those jeans because I do really like them. I just think I would need to go in a regular size 6 instead of a size 6 petite. Like I said, these are the Absolution Democracy jeans. These are a high-rise boot cut, and these are $88. Kind of expensive, but honestly for a pair of jeans like this, I do kind of think it's worth it. I like the wash of these a lot. I'll have to see if they have these in a regular size 6. Okay, then we have this shirt. This is the printed roll tab knit blouse in blue orange from West Key, K-E-I. This is $58. I would definitely not pay $58 for that. Then we have the flower print trim detail blouse from Skies Are Blue. This is $54. I kind of don't think it's worth $54. Not for me. Then we have this dolman style shirt. This is the unwind, oh wait, just kidding. This is the scoop neck 3/4 sleeve dolman from Layla Jade, I believe, and this is $69. I would not spend $69 on that, that is for sure. We have the unwind tie-dye pullover from Horizon. This is $69. I do like this a lot, and honestly, I'm kind of considering it. I just don't know what I'd wear it with, so I'll have to try it on with a couple different pairs of pants that I have and see, other than leggings and sweatpants, what I'd realistically wear with this. Because it's cozy, but I just don't know if I'd actually get enough use out of it. Then we have this blouse, and this is the button front woven top from Black Tape, and this is $70. I do have to say, I think this one is worth the $70 price tag. It's just not the right fit for me, but I'm really interested in this brand. I've never tried anything from them before, so I'm excited to have discovered a new brand that I can kind of go poke through and see. And then the last thing on here are the earrings. These are the Lydia earring set in gold, and these are $26. Okay, so total here is $434, which is quite expensive. Let's be honest, that's pretty pricey. So I'm not sure if this is something that I'm actually going to be buying anything from. I don't think I like anything enough to keep it. I don't know. I'm iffy about this one, so definitely let me know what you think down below. I do have a few more days before I actually have to send this back, so I would love to know all of your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really, really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you stick around and subscribe so you don't miss out on another video. If you would like to try Wantable, like I said, I will leave my link down below so you can go ahead and save yourself a little bit of money there. I really look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!